Attention movers, are you ready to ramp up your strategy for 2026? On December 10th at 4 p.m. Central, I'll be hosting a free live workshop designed specifically for moving company owners like you. This is a fantastic opportunity to take charge of your marketing effort, attract better leads, and grow your business intentionally. We're focusing on practical, actionable content that reflects what's effective in digital marketing for moving companies today. During this workshop, you'll learn how to establish a realistic budget, adopt strategies that generate steady leads, and keep pace with ever-changing market dynamics. By the end, you'll have a clear and actionable plan tailored for your business growth in the upcoming year. Joining is easy. Just click the link in the description, register, and secure your spot. Once registered, you'll receive reminders and access to a downloadable workbook and worksheet to maximize your workshop experience. Please note, this isn't just another passive webinar. It's an interactive working session where you'll need to come prepared to plan, take notes, and set yourself up for success in 2026. Mark your calendars for December 10th at 4 p.m. Central Time. Join me live on Zoom and possibly YouTube. Don't miss this chance to kickstart your strategic planning for a successful new year. I look forward to seeing you there.